Hello, hello students. How are you to all? I hope all of you feel good. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 6 of our social science book. Chapter number 6, class 5. And the name of the chapter is India Wins Freedom. India Wins Freedom. Okay, let us read the chapter. The INC had achieved limited success during the early years of its freedom. The early leaders of INC were known as moderate, as they believed in pleading with the English government for reforms. Another group of leaders within the INC was formed who wanted to strongly oppose the English. They were called radicals. They were in favor of organizing strikes and boycott. In Indian National Congress, they formed two types of group. First one, moderate group. They believed in pleading, and the second one is radical. They were strongly opposed the English or British people. They were in favor of which one? Radical groups. They were in favor of organizing strikes and boycotts. Lala Lajpat Roy, Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, popular as Lal Bal Pal, were the three popular radical leaders. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. It is a popular slogan given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Partition of Bengal. In 1905, the English wanted to make partition of Bengal with one part having large Hindu population and other part with Muslim population. The British wanted to make partition of Bengal to divide the Hindus and Muslims from unitly fighting against the British. People strongly opposed the partition of Bengal, and it led to launch the Swadeshi movement and the boycott movement. Let us talk about Swadeshi movement and boycott movement. The meaning of Swadeshi. The meaning of Swadeshi is of one's own country. People were forced to boycott all the foreign goods and use only the goods made in India. Swadeshi movement was started to popularize the use of Indian made goods so that Indian industries could prosper. Foreign goods were burned. Large number of women and students took part in Swadeshi and boycott movement. The movement was started in Bengal and spread across the country. The British government tried to suppress the movement. Let us read about revolutionaries. Young people of Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra thought that the moderate and radicals could not achieve in driving out the British from India. They wanted to drive out the British from India by forceful methods, and they called themselves as revolutionaries. Arvindo Ghosh, Ajit Singh, Khudiram Bose, Veer Savarkar are few early revolutionaries. They killed some British officers also. Later, some of them were arrested and were hanged by the British government. Let us read about Gandhiji leads the nation. In 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. In South Africa, he had protested against the regime of white rulers. Gandhiji protest was based on truth and non-violence. His way of protest was known as Satyagraha. After returning to India, Gandhiji travelled all over the country to understand the condition of people of India. Gandhiji was shocked to see the poverty of people. They were living in India. He decided to fight not only the British people but also against the then prevailing social conditions, especially the caste system in our India. Let us read about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 10th April 1919. Two national leaders were arrested in Punjab. On 13th April 1919, a public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar as a protest against the arrest of the leaders. General Dyer ordered the soldiers of the British Indian Army to fire rifle into the crowd of unarmed civilians. Hundreds of men, women and children were killed and thousands were injured. The whole country was shocked by the incident and there was whispered of protest all the national leaders strongly protest against the cruel act of the British general. Let us read about non-cooperation movement. In 1920, Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement. He told the people of India to disobey the laws in a peaceful way. But in Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, few people set fire to a police station and 22 policemen died in this incident. Gandhiji was against violence, so he withdrew the movement. Many leaders like Babu, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, C. Gopalachari, Maulana Azad, Chittaranjan Das, Moti Lal Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru actively participated in non-cooperation movement. Let us read about Simon Commission. The law and order was gradually getting out of control in the country. The British government decided to make some changes and appointed Simon Commission in India in 1928. The INC decided to boycott the commission as there were no Indian members in the Simon Commission. They gave the slogan "Go back Simon" to boycott the commission. The new group of revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad and B.K. Dutt challenged the British government. Let us talk about disobedience movement. In December 1929, the INC demanded Purna Swaraj or complete independence from the British government. दिसंबर 1929 को इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस ने डिमांड करी पूर्ण स्वराज। पूर्ण स्वराज मतलब कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस, कंप्लीट फ्रीडम की डिमांड करी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट से। द सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड इन अर्ली 1930 अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट पहले 1930 में गांधी जी की लीडरशिप में स्टार्ट हुआ था। गांधी जी स्टार्टेड दांडी मार्च। एट दैट टाइम इंडियंस वे आर नॉट अलाउड टू प्रोड्यूस सॉल्ट। गांधी जी ने दांडी मार्च किया। उस टाइम इंडियंस को नमक बनाना अलाउड नहीं था। एज अ प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट इट, महात्मा गांधी अलॉन्ग विथ हिज फॉलोअर वॉक फ्रॉम साबरमती। गांधी जी के साथ कई सारे लोग साबरमती आश्रम पैदल चल के गए। फ्रॉम साबरमती आश्रम इन अहमदाबाद टू नियर दांडी नियर सूरत। अहमदाबाद में साबरमती आश्रम से चलकर दांडी तक पैदल गए। गांधी जी मेड सॉल्ट एट दांडी। दांडी में जाके उन्होंने सॉल्ट बनाया। एंड दस ब्रोक द सॉल्ट लॉ। उस समय उन्होंने नमक कानून तोड़ा। द सत्याग्रह, द सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह वॉज स्प्रेड टू अदर पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री। और ये नमक सत्याग्रह पूरे देश में फैल गया। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो it is enough to you. Meet you in the next video beta.